This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hello, TV. Let's see what you've got. What? A doll drama? Looks boring. Okay, what else can I watch? Wow, if I make a wish on this star, it will come true? Unbelievable! Hey, what is going on? Whoa, what is that thing? I can't see it from here. I need to have a closer look. This is a beauty box? I didn't ask for it.
Whoa, Sam, be careful. Is it a beauty box? It really looks like one.
Sue, that star fooled me. I wanted limitless candies and chocolate.
We will find a way to use it. We know someone who might really need this box. Let's go.
Okay.
Friends, are you ready to meet our guest? Today we will do a makeover for our beautiful Asha.
Hey, don't forget about me. I'm the main star here. So, Asha, how do you feel about our makeover?
This is very exciting, Sam. I'm happy to be here today.
Don't worry, Asha. You are in good hands. We are ready to begin. Sue, the floor is yours.
Okay, let's see what we've got. Wow! It says it's a moisturizing face mask, and the design is very unusual. Let's check it out. How cute. It might be a bit cool, Asha.
I also decided to give it a try. I want to look fabulous. Hey, you folks. Do you want to get some face masks too?
Yes, sure, Sam. We want to try everything.
If you want it so much, you will get a mask. It's your wish after all. 1, 2, 3. So, can you tell us how you feel?
Oh, this mask is a miracle. I feel like I'm 10 years younger now, I'm telling you.
I knew it. I told you, Sue.
Great, that's enough. Let's put the mask back in its place so it won't get dry. Here we also have eye and lip patches. This one works as a lip moisturizer. And repairs small cracks. Huh? Where are the eye patches? They were here just a moment ago.
I know nothing.
Not your size, Sam, but it's a perfect fit for our Asha.
I'm sorry. I wanted to test them too. They look awesome. So, it's time to talk to our audience again. You! Why did you come here on this lovely day?
I'm your biggest fan! I watched all your videos on the internet.
Thank you. Do you want to say something to our viewers too?
Sure. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this episode and subscribe to this channel.
You heard it, friends! Just do it! But now we need to get back to our makeover! Whee!
Great. We'll put the patches back in our box. We shouldn't lose a thing, because we can use it again. Now let's remove the extra moisture with a paper tissue.
Oh, feels really nice.
What's next? We need to explore the second section of our beauty box.
We'll make sure the hair is secured well. And take the micellar water and a cotton pad. And wipe the face carefully like this.
Uh-oh, not the pimples.
No worries. We have a special toner for that.
That's right, it will fight the pimples and soften the skin right away. There's also an anti-acne cream. With this treatment, your pimples won't stand a chance. Now we'll remove the cream leftovers and voila, all the pimples are gone.
Phew, that's a relief. Thanks.
Here comes my favorite part, the makeup. So stay tuned.
First, we need to apply the base to prepare the skin. This way, the makeup will last much longer. Now, we'll add a bit of delicate under-eye cream. Here we have brushes of all shapes and sizes. And many eyeshadow palettes.
I can't hold my inspiration anymore, Sue. Make way.
Okay, then you can apply the eyeshadow. We have a great choice here.
Let me see. Whoa, so many colors. What to choose? I feel kind of dizzy, Sue.
Sammy? Sam, are you okay?
No, but I will be. I just had a marvelous beauty dream. Now I know which colors to choose. Okay, let's start with that one.
This one?
No, Sue.
Then this one?
Wrong again.
Let's use pink.
Finally! Whee! We need a darker shade of pink, too. It's coming out really good, but it's like something is missing.
I know. You need to highlight the eye corners.
Right? We need to highlight the eye corners.
Hey, it was my idea.
For such a delicate work, we should use this brush.
There we go. Awesome! Check it out.
I like it so much.
Yes, you look really beautiful. It's time for some blush now. Whoa, just look at this amazing shade. Great. We're done with our brushes and we can move on to… Oh no. Where are all the lipsticks? Hey you, what are you doing back there? Hey, I'm talking to you.
What do you think? I'm a stunner, right? Have a look at my buddies, too.
What do you say, Sue?
They look great, but I need these back. Before applying the lipstick, we need to moisturize the lips. Like this. This color will look great on our Asha. Oh, it's my favorite part, the false lashes. Wow, awesome.
But she definitely needs some sparkles. Ouch!
All done.
Wow, I am so beautiful. Thank you, Sue and Sam.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to check out the final look of our guest? Great! Then we'll do it right now! Meet our friend whose wish just came true! Asha! Well, friends, do you want to know how to make this beauty box yourself? Then watch this video till the end.
First, we need to bend the external part of our beauty box. There we go. It's very easy.
And I have already prepared the contents for it. Give me a sec.
Great, thanks, Sammy. We'll glue the pages now, like this. It's time to fill our beauty box with some cool stuff. Are you ready?
Sue, I brought the face mask.
Right, this is exactly what we need for the first page. And we need to keep it in the special package, remember? Don't forget the eyes and lips patches. Let's place them right here. Wait a second. They are empty. Sam, did you decide to have a spa day in the middle of crafting again?
What are you saying? I didn't do anything wrong.
I don't get it. Where are the patches then?
Oh. Footprints, Sue. Look. I am sure the robber left them when he took the patches. Detective Sam Noir will take care of this case. I will catch you, Mr. Robber, no matter who you are. Come out, you criminal. Aha! I found you. Not so smooth, monkey. Sue, the robber is here. Get him.
I'm sorry, but the mask effect didn't last for long. I really liked it and couldn't resist.
I hear you, friend. I wanted to do the same. Besides, these patches make your lips really soft.
So you won't punish me?
What made you think so? You're going to jail. Now!
Oh, well.
Okay, now let's return the patches to the right places. There we go. Here's the last element for this page, and we will keep going.
I know. On this page, we had micellar water and some cotton pads.
Yup, it's everything for the makeup removal, or to erase the mistakes if something went wrong.
And here we'll have our toner and anti-acne cream.
It's a great cream. It helped Asha with her pimples so quickly. But something is missing. Sam, do you remember?
Officer, can you let me go? Please?
Wait a second. Yes, Sue, I know what you forgot. It was somewhere here. Found it. Here you go.
Ah, that's right. Thanks, Sammy. I wonder what I would do without you.
Oh, there is nothing else like just sitting here and following your inspiration. What shall I draw now? Hey!
These are makeup brushes. They are not for painting.
But you don't know yet. I'm painting you.
Oh, really? Sam, this is so sweet. I will put it on our fridge.
What? The fridge? This is such a big honor. I want to thank all my friends, especially Sue and my mom and Granny.
In the meantime, time, here we have all the brushes, and on the other side, there's a palette. Let's just add the missing parts. Here's the last page. We'll need the things for the makeup base first.
I've got everything, Sue, and I'm almost there. Hold on! Holy cannoli! I'm good even when I'm wrong!
Shoo! Here's the finishing touch for the lipsticks. They should go here. Here are my favorite false lashes. And we are done with our magic beauty box. Do you want to check it out once more? Yeah, me too!
Yes, it was awesome. Can you let me out already?
I'm happy to hear that. Now everyone gets free facial masks and false eyelashes. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boom!
Huh? What? Yay, I will be forever young. Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome, and thank you, friends, for being with us today. What? Do you want to say something, Mr. Monkey?
Finally, I'm free and fabulous.
See you very soon in our new videos, friends. Bye-bye.
See you around, everyone!
Hello, Mr. Maker here, at home. I hope you're having a lovely day today. I had a great day yesterday with my friend Hamza. Hamza loves going for walks across towns and cities and in the countryside. And yesterday he invited me and all of the shapes to go on a walk with him. Do you know what? I'm going to give him a call and thank him for a brilliant day.
Hello, Mr. Maker.
Hi Hamza, have you got time for a quick chat?
Always. How are you doing, my friend?
I'm well, thank you. How are you?
I'm feeling great after our lovely walk yesterday.
I loved it. That's why I wanted to call actually, to say thank you.
Oh, that's kind of you. Did the shapes enjoy it too?
Oh, I'll ask them. Excuse me. Shapes! It's Hamza on the phone. He wants to know if you enjoyed the walk yesterday.
I am a circle.
I am a triangle. I am a square.
I am a rectangle.
Oh, they loved it.
Oh, that's good. What was your favourite part of the walk, Mr. M?
Well, I loved it when we saw the, what was it called? The, oh, no, I know what it was. It was, Actually, Hamza, I know we had a lovely walk yesterday, but I seem to have forgotten all of the things that we saw.
Well, next time, we should take a little notebook with us so that we can write down all the lovely things that we see.
Good thinking, Hamza. And actually, that's just given me an arty idea. Shall I make something?
Make it, Mr. Maker.
Make it, Mr. Maker.
Let's make a super snake pencil pal.
Make it, Mr. Maker.
Okay, mini makers, it looks like you're ready to watch me make a pencil pal for this rather plain looking pencil. I'm ready. Hamza, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Great! Let's make it. I'm going to take a pipe cleaner first of all. You can use any pipe cleaner you like in any colour you like. But mini makers, ask a grown-up to help you. Very carefully wind the pipe cleaner around and around like this to make a head shape.
That looks quite tricky, Mr. M.
It can be quite tricky, Hamza, but don't worry. If you decide that you've made a mistake, you can just unwind the pipe cleaner and try again. There, I've just glued on a googly eye, and now I'm going to make the tongue of my pencil pal snake by cutting out a small piece of felt. Be careful, mini makers, scissors are sharp. With our tongues safely glued on, it's time for our pencil pal to wriggle around the pencil. So we simply wind it on.
I really like this idea. Do you have to use pipe cleaners?
Oh no, you don't have to, Hamza. But the great thing about pipe cleaners is that they wind around the pencil and secure the pencil pal in place without the need for any more glue. It's finished! A super snake, the perfect pencil pal for a walk in the countryside.
So if we were walking in a busy city, we could make a pencil topper that's maybe a car, a bus, or even some traffic lights.
That's right! What do you think, Hamza? A super snake pencil pal?
I love it. I'm gonna try that myself later.
Of course, you don't have to make a snake. You could make a different creature, or anything you like to make a terrific pencil topper.
It's been great chatting to you, Mr. M. Let's go for a walk again soon, okay?
I'd love that, Hamza. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, it was great to see Hamza. And we went on a fantastic walk yesterday. He's always taught me to be on the lookout for wonderful things to see and hear. What's that noise? It sounds like snoring and it's coming from upstairs. It's the shapes! Circle, triangle, square and rectangle, all snoring away. With the shapes asleep, it means no shape dance today and no singing to I Am a Shape. It's a real shame, but I suppose the only way we could do those things is if I put on shape costumes and I do the dance myself. But we can't do that! Can we? Come on, mini makers, let's dance with the shapes!
I am a circle.
Spin around in a circle on the ground.
I am a triangle.
Clap your hands in the air, triangles everywhere.
I am a square.
Everybody draw a square, draw it here, draw it there.
I am a rectangle.
Bounce everybody, bounce like you just don't care. What's it going to be? Wait and we will see. A shape for you and me. I am a circle. Now let's make something to celebrate our friend Circle. First, ask a grown-up to help you find an old clean lid that you can safely reuse. This one is circle-shaped. Then cover the inside of the lid with gloopy glue. Tear up and scrunch pieces of tissue paper into small balls. Add these paper balls and some pom-poms inside the sticky lid. Everything is pink here as we are making Circle. When it's dry and secure, glue on 2 googly eyes and add a pipe cleaner mouth. Your circle is ready.
I am a circle.
Thank you for coming to visit me at home today. We've had a great time. We chatted to Hamza. We made a pencil pal, a super circle, and some shape dance moves. Keep making things and have lots of fun. And remember, your home is where the art is. I'll see you soon.